There's a pin.
And that holds the bunks on the logging sled, is that right?
Yes.
And there's some steel plates that mate with it, I think.
These are the steel plates I burned out of 1/4-inch plate that Ian Walker donated the plate for the blacksmith forge rebuild, and I had enough remnants of that to cut these plates out of. And then I made special bolts. I modified special. These are carriage bolts.
Wow.
And this has got to be flush. So I drilled a hole for the bolt, and then I countersunk it, and then I made a countersink surface on the back side of the carriage bolt and faced them off and punched square holes in there so that the carriage bolt, when it would go down through, would set flush, and then it won't turn because the integral square shoulder on the carriage bolt.
And that's a 5/8-inch bolt, I
That's
think?
a 5/8-inch bolt.
Great. And that's going to go into this
This
bunk.
is going to go, this will go, and we're going to drill down through with this nice tool here for a 5/8 bolt. Has an integral counterbore on it. Once I get the hole all the way down through, I'll come through from the back side and put the counterbore where this will be down through, and the nuts will be all recessed in the timber.
And these pins hold the bunks onto the sled, is that right?
Once the bunk plate gets on, the two plates come face to each other, and then this pin will go down through and lock the two of them together so that this sled can turn underneath the bunk. When the bunk's loaded with logs, the sled can turn underneath.
It clears its bed though.
And these were carriage bolts?
These were regular carriage bolts, Marden Specials.
Okay.
And after I drilled the initial hole through for the bolt, I took 1 1/16 drill bit and made a countersink to the full diameter of 1 1/16, and then recessed that by about 1/32 of an inch for the thickness of this head to drop down flush. Then, once I had the countersink done, I picked up that angle with the compound on my lathe and machined that surface.
Wow. That's so chips.
And it's all assembled.
It's now.
Wow, very nice. Well, it's 0 degrees this morning, and the Tuesday crew is all having some ice cream.
Right? Of course. To celebrate,
It's going to get really cold on the inside.
Jim and Byron.
Okay.
Oh, okay, so we have 2 birthdays, Jim and Byron.
I'm just keeping it warm till he gets back.
So Jim, how's it feel to be 50?
Or so.
Oh,
I tell you that? Good ice cream, Norris. Herb, are we celebrating birthdays? Back at Norris isn't here.
How does 50
Thank you
feel?
all.
No more.
Huh?
How does 50 feel?
Some of them
How does what?
Being 50.
Oh, 50 felt nice. 50 felt nice. I can just barely remember.
Wow. So this is I just saw these this morning on the Thomas bandsaw mill. Yeah, these are real 2x4s. Plywood.